Hello friends, I hope you all are doing well. So today I have a mobile with me. It's the itel a25 Pro. The issue with it is that its IMEi number has become 0. Today we will repair it. Let me show you its model by going into the settings. Okay friends, look at this. Yes, this is definitely a murderer. Yes, I went to about phone. It's a 25 Pro. Okay, I zoom in a little. Okay, today I don't have this tool. Yes, okay. Avenger, I will absolutely repair it with it. Okay, I'll do it. Look at this. Its number has indeed become 00. Okay, for sure. Now what I will do is turn off the mobile. I have this tool. I open the tool, Ongar. This is the name of the tool. Okay, it's a great tool. There are many speedy characters made in it that are made from it. Like influx 14, 13, all these characters are in it, meaning that whatever character is in speedy, they are all in it. I saw this. I have it opened up now. Previously I had a similar model that I flashed with this tool, and now it has an issue with the IMEi number, which has turned to 0. Or first we will go to the device manager and check the drivers. They should be in speedy. Most of the itell models are showing up in speedy. First we will go to Mono itell and select it here. We will select our model, the A25 Pro L500. Alright, now we will proceed. I am a super, I am me, I'm a super, I am me, I'm a super, I am me. We will do 2 here. Okay, now the option for the IMEi will come up on this side. Alright, it will show up now. Watch now. We will repair the IMEi. Okay, alright, now come over to this side where the IMEi option will appear. Okay, it will show up now. Watch now. Look at this. If you look at this, it will not show like this. Now you have to type your original IMEi here. Okay, whatever your IMEi is on the box, you have to write it here, because the IMEi number should not be changed. We have put its original IMEi number. Okay, now I will do it. Okay, and pass it to him. I will just initialize the USB cable by simply pressing the volume down and volume up buttons. Okay, let's see. I am currently connecting it. This is indeed the USB cable. I have the volume down and volume up buttons. Okay, let's see. It picked up. Okay, friends. It is right now in front of you for you to see. This tool is called Avenger. Okay, look at this. It has repaired the IMEi in front of you, just like you can do. Okay, now it will restart automatically. Then we turn it on and check whether its IMEi has been repaired or not. It will just take a few seconds, then it will turn on, and we will check. Friends, if you have any issues like with the software, just let me know in the comments and I will help you out. Alright, now look, I will dial *#06#. Look friends, you can see in front of you that my number is now paired correctly. It was showing as null here or before, but now it has been fixed.